What if I told you there's a workflow out there that was so dead simple that it fully automated everything down to just the need to press one button? All of your images will be in exactly where they're supposed to be without you thinking about any of it. That's the workflow that I designed in this course. I'm gonna be going over exactly how to fully automate the entire workflow, and once this is done, you never have to think about it again. It's gonna know exactly where to put your images, exactly what hard drives and what folder structures, exactly how to find your images, and then we're gonna take it a step further to show you a workflow where we can completely ditch your laptop, ditch your hard drives. You could be halfway across the world, and with your phone or an iPad that I have here in front of me, have your images, the full resolution files, be backed up to your desktop drives at home. It's one system, it's dead simple. That's what I'm gonna cover in this class. It's gonna be a wild ride. Come check it out here at KelbyOne.com.